Hi everybody, this is Jeff from ADK Overland, New York, and welcome back to my channel. I figured because the weather is so stinking cold that I'll just maybe do an overview of what I've got into my solar system to date, and that'll give you an idea of what I've done. And I really can't do much more on straightening out my wiring. I've been working a little bit at a time on it as far as trying to get shorter lengths of cables, custom cut, to fit between batteries and other components. But everything else is going to have to pretty much wait until spring or summer. The wires will be a little less stiff then, and I'll be able to move things around a bit, kind of neaten things up a little bit longer. But here goes the recap, and it'll give you some sort of an idea what I've got into it. Pretty much at this point, it's completed, and I've got everything into the solar system that I wanted and need. And unless I expand to add another 200 watt solar panel on the roof, this is pretty much it today.